I've got a particular passion for children that have got barriers to learning, and it's those children that often really benefit from the technology, because we need to engage the children. They need a lot of visuals, they need a lot of high stimulus to get them hooked in to reading, writing, maths. We had a 5-year plan with our budget of a certain amount of money each year that we could put in, and then we had to look and see what is the highest priority. And the highest priority was teachers couldn't deliver their lessons effectively because their interactive whiteboards were no longer efficient. So elementary technology has supported the school through the whole process. They did a health check of the school to see what the things were we needed.
We knew we needed to move the school forward. We needed a very fast-paced but quality service. We changed our technical support and they recommended elementary technologies. They listened to what we needed, that we wanted smart software, recognising the licences that we also need with it and the devices we need to get there. The hardest word.
If you only invest in the hardware, it's a waste of money because you can't use it. You've got to have the software to use the hardware, and you have to be trained in order to use it, otherwise you're not getting value for money out of your investment. The reason we invested in SMART, in the boards and the software, is because it was something that the teachers were very familiar with.
When you say software to support children's learning, you think of SMART.
With the new technology that we've bought into, we've got a package that includes continuous professional development. So we get new information and we get shown how to use it to give you a little bit more one-to-one, so it's been great.
So the training, that's a really essential integral part of it all, and that's what we've had from elementary technology.
Just the general attitude to the children to see the whoa, there's an interactive whiteboard that they can actually see. So straight away the kids were hooked in.
Staff were really enthused of what they'd just been shown, how the iPads could link into the interactive whiteboard and how that was going to mean that the whole class could be engaged at the same time rather than just a couple of children coming out and doing it.
And as an EAL school, visual aspects are really important. They can't always understand what we're saying, but if they can see it, they understand it.
We have a motto here, every minute is precious. There's so much learning can happen in a minute.
So yeah, it's a legacy for the future and for the children of the future as well that come through Pinders Primary.